Your first challenge.
I don't want to read the rest.
Who invents this?
Your time starts now. Well.
Okay. Buy this.
Beep, beep, beep.
Come on, worm! Oh, black. Done.
I will start my presentation about the worm.
Who is Dr. Geo?
Like many ridiculous things, there will be data about it.
You want to have a simple answer. It doesn't exist, never, inside.
We look at the living nature if we talk about ecosystem services, but good guesses.
I'd hoped that we didn't come even close. I cannot make this better than this one.
Lisa's visualization was basically useless.
No rubrics, just me shooting from the hip. What do I like most?
Dr. Geo, this is for you.
Perfect.
Are you sure I can do this?